In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add details inside the check register in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to open the correct register, and how to update a transaction so your records are clear and accurate. First, open QuickBooks and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. What we're doing today happens inside your accounting lists, so the path is straightforward once you know where to click. From the dashboard, head to your chart of accounts. This is the home base for all your financial accounts: bank, credit card, savings, and more. If you're ever unsure which account holds the transaction you want to update, think about where the money moved. For example, checks and withdrawals usually live in your bank account, while card purchases sit in your credit card account. Next, find the account you want to work in and choose View Register. The register is simply a running list of transactions for that account: deposits, payments, checks, and adjustments, displayed in date order. It mirrors a traditional checkbook, but with powerful fields you can edit to add context. Now, look through the register and locate the line where you want to add details. You can scroll, sort by column headers like date or amount, or use the search and filter tools to narrow it down. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct transaction by checking the date, payee, and amount. Once you've found it, click the transaction line to expand it and start adding your details. You'll see fields such as payee, category or account, memo or description, tags, and sometimes class or location if you use those features. Enter as much relevant information as you can. Choose the category carefully so the expense or income lands in the right place on your reports. Add a clear memo that explains what the payment was for, enough that future you or anyone on your team can understand it at a glance. If you track projects, departments, or job costs, use class or location consistently so your reporting stays clean. Tags can help you group items for internal tracking without affecting your chart of accounts. If there's a check number, fill that in to keep your check sequence complete. Before you finish, give everything a quick review: date, payee, amount, and the details you added. Accurate, consistent entries make bank reconciliation easier and keep your financial statements reliable. That's it. Open QuickBooks, go to your chart of accounts, click View Register, pick the transaction line, and add your details. Follow these steps anytime you need to clarify a transaction and keep your books tidy.